This is a cording presser foot. It has grooves on the top for guiding yarn and cord. It is capable of sewing up to 3 thin or decorative cords simultaneously. Place up to 3 cords into the grooves of the foot. Attach the cording presser foot. Pull the sewing threads and the cords under the guide slots to the back. Select the zigzag stitch and adjust the stitch width to be slightly wider than the width of the cords. This machine sets the stitch width to 6 mm and the stitch length dial to 3 mm. Turn the hand wheel before sewing to prevent needle and presser foot damage while sewing. Arrange the cords neatly and start sewing. When sewing is finished, cut the thread. To create gathers. Place the cord into the foot center groove and then tie a knot in the cords. Then behind the foot. Turn on the sewing machine. Once sewing is completed, the cord can be pulled to adjust the fullness or gathers of the fabric.